What if I told you one of the smartest designs for extreme heat was invented nearly 200 years ago, long before air conditioning, before energy-efficient HVAC systems, before spray foam insulation? Builders in the American South created a home layout that naturally cooled itself using wind. It's called the Dogtrot. And today, it's quietly becoming one of the most powerful design upgrades in modern barndominiums that modern builders are rediscovering in 2026. In this video, I'm showing you 5 modern Dogtrot barndominiums that blend old-world climate intelligence with modern steel frame construction. These aren't your grandmother's Dogtrots. These are modern interpretations with steel, glass, and 2026 design sensibility, and every single one solves problems traditional barndominiums can't touch. A Dogtrot is a covered, open-air breezeway separating 2 living areas under a single roof. You put your kitchen in one wing, bedrooms in the other wing, and that open breezeway pulled air through both sides, keeping everything cooler before AC existed. Fast forward to 2026, we have air conditioning now, but the Dogtrot design solves modern problems the old builders never imagined. Subscribe if you want alternative housing content that shows you designs you won't see anywhere else. Let's go. Number 1. The Modern Minimalist Black. The first design stops you in your tracks from a quarter-mile away. Exterior: matte black standing seam metal roof spanning the entire structure. Matte black corrugated steel siding on both enclosed wings. The breezeway: 16 feet of pure negative space cutting straight through the center. No frills, no decoration, just dramatic architectural void. You can see completely through the building from the front yard to the back property. It's unsettling at first glance, like the building is incomplete. Then you realize that's the entire point. The breezeway: stained charcoal concrete floor. 4 steel I-beam columns painted matte black supporting the roof. Zero furniture, zero decoration. Pure circulation space. The owners wanted the breezeway to stay empty. It's not an outdoor living room, it's a dramatic architectural statement. You walk through shadow to get from one wing to the other, and that experience, moving from enclosed space through open air back to enclosed space, becomes part of daily life. Measurements: 40 feet wide by 60 feet deep total. West wing is 960 square feet. Kitchen, dining, great room. The breezeway is 16 feet wide. East wing is 800 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. What makes this work? The all-black exterior unifies both wings and the breezeway into one continuous form. During the day, the breezeway reads as shadow. At night, interior lights from both wings glow through the open corridor, creating this lantern effect. It's not warm, it's not cozy. It's architecturally aggressive, and it photographs like nothing else. Cost: approximately $285,000 complete for 2,400 square feet total footprint. The all-black finish adds about $8,000 over standard finishes, but the aesthetic impact is worth 10 times that. Who this works for? Design-forged people who value dramatic architecture over traditional comfort. This is not a family farmhouse. This is sculpture you live in. Number 2. The Glass Breezeway Hybrid. If Design 1 was all shadow, Design 2 is all light. The concept: same Dogtrot footprint, same 2 wings, but the breezeway? Enclosed with floor-to-ceiling glass on both long sides. You still get the visual transparency, you still get that dramatic corridor cutting through the center, but now it's climate-controlled. Exterior: natural, unstained cedar board and batten siding on both wings, aging to silver gray patina. Galvalume standing seam metal roof, but that breezeway? Frameless glass panels from floor to ceiling on both sides, black aluminum minimal frame. 16 feet wide, 40 feet deep, completely transparent. Inside the breezeway, this is where it gets interesting. It's not treated as hallway, it's treated as primary living space. Polished concrete floor, 14-foot dining table running the length, string lights overhead creating ambient glow at night, potted olive trees, outdoor sectional sofa at one end. The family eats every meal in the breezeway. Guests gather in the breezeway. Kids play in the breezeway. It's the heart of the home, but it's technically still breezeway. The glass is operable. On perfect weather days, both sides slide completely open and you get the original Dogtrot experience, full cross ventilation, indoor-outdoor living. On cold days or hot days, you close the glass and you've got a 640 square foot climate-controlled room with 180-degree views. Layout. West wing is master suite only. Bedroom, bathroom, walk-in closet, home office. 800 square feet of private retreat. East wing is everything else. Kitchen, living room, 2 kids' bedrooms, bath. 960 square feet. The breezeway separates parents from kids, perfect for families with teenagers who need space. Cost: approximately $315,000 complete. The frameless glass system adds $35,000 over a standard open breezeway, but you gain 640 square feet of year-round usable space. Who this works for? Families who love the Dogtrot concept but live in climates where an open breezeway isn't practical year-round. This gives you flexibility. Number 3. The entertainment compound. Design 3 isn't a house, it's a lifestyle. The layout? West wing is traditional main living. Kitchen, dining, great room, master suite. 1,400 square feet. The breezeway? 20 feet wide. Not 16, 20. Because this breezeway is a destination. Outdoor kitchen with built-in grill, refrigerator, sink, stone pizza oven, bar seating for 8, 2 ceiling fans, string lights, outdoor fireplace at the far end with seating around it. This is where life happens. The interior wings are almost secondary. East wing? That's the surprise. Home theater, game room, bunk room, full bath, and, here's the kicker, a second, smaller breezeway connecting to a detached guest cabin. It's a double Dogtrot. Main house wings connected by entertainment breezeway, then a second covered walkway connecting to a 400 square foot guest cabin. Total footprint? 3,300 square feet under roof for the main structure, plus 400 square feet for the guest cabin. It's technically a compound, not a house. Exterior? Mix of natural stone veneer on lower half, cedar siding upper half, metal roof. The stone grounds it, the cedar keeps it from feeling too heavy. What makes this work? The 20-foot breezeway width. 16 feet feels like a hallway with furniture. 20 feet feels like an outdoor room. You can have 12 people in the breezeway and it doesn't feel crowded. During family gatherings, the main house handles sleeping, the breezeway handles entertaining, the guest cabin handles overflow. It's brilliant spatial planning. Cost? Approximately $425,000 complete for main structure plus guest cabin. The outdoor kitchen adds $18,000. The fireplace adds $7,000. The guest cabin adds $52,000. But if you host regularly, this layout eliminates the need for hotels for visiting family. It pays for itself in hospitality value. Who this works for? Multi-generational families. People who entertain constantly. Anyone who needs guest space but doesn't want guests in the main house. Number 4. The Rustic Heritage. Design 4 goes the opposite direction. Not modern, not minimalist. Pure rustic nostalgia. Exterior, reclaimed weathered barnwood siding on both wings. Natural gray patina. Hand-hewn timber posts in the breezeway, not steel I-beams, actual 12 by 12 timber posts, salvaged from a 1920s tobacco barn. Standing seam metal roof in weathered bronze finish, It looks 100 years old. It was built in 2024. The breezeway, rough-sawn oak decking instead of concrete, timber frame overhead with exposed joinery, Edison bulbs, string lights, 2 rocking chairs, nothing else. This breezeway isn't trying to be an outdoor living room. It's trying to honor the original Dogtrot purpose: shade, circulation, connection to the land. Inside, you'd never guess from the exterior. Modern farmhouse interior. White shaker cabinets, quartz counters, luxury vinyl plank flooring, vaulted ceilings with white painted beams. The rustic is exterior only. Inside is fully contemporary. It's the perfect balance for people who want the aesthetic but not the discomfort of actual historic living. Layout: West wing is main living, kitchen, dining, living, master. East wing is 2 bedrooms, bath, laundry, mudroom. 16-foot breezeway between. Simple, traditional, exactly what a Dogtrot was always supposed to be. Cost: approximately $295,000 complete for 2,200 square feet. The reclaimed wood siding adds $12,000 over new cedar. The hand-hewn timbers add $8,000. But the authenticity is priceless if this aesthetic speaks to you. Who this works for? People who want historic character with modern function. Buyers in rural areas where this aesthetic fits the landscape. Anyone who wants their home to look like it's been there for generations. Number 5. The U-Shaped Courtyard. The final design breaks the Dogtrot rules entirely. Traditional Dogtrots are linear. 2 wings, 1 breezeway, straight line. Design number 5 is U-shaped. The layout: 3 separate wings forming a U around a central courtyard. North wing is main living. East wing is master suite. West wing is guest quarters. 2 breezeways connect them. North wing to east wing, 12 feet wide. North wing to west wing, 12 feet wide. The courtyard in the center, 30 feet by 30 feet of protected outdoor space. No through breeze because 3 sides are enclosed by wings, but complete privacy from neighboring properties. What's in the courtyard? Pool, covered outdoor kitchen, fire pit, seating areas. This is the hub. The 3 wings are support structures for the courtyard lifestyle. Exterior: all 3 wings match. Natural limestone veneer lower half, white board and batten upper half. Black metal roof, black aluminum frame windows. Clean, sophisticated, cohesive. Cost: approximately $480,000 complete for 3,200 square feet enclosed space, plus 2 breezeways and central courtyard. This is the most expensive design of the 5, but you're getting 3 separate living pods with complete privacy between them. Perfect for multi-generational living or rental income from guest wing. Who this works for? Large families, people planning to age in place with live-in help, buyers who want rental income potential, anyone building on a property where outdoor privacy is a priority. 5 Dogtrot Barndominiums. 5 completely different interpretations of the same 200-year-old concept. Modern Black Minimalist, Glass Enclosed Hybrid, Entertainment Compound, Rustic Heritage, U-Shaped Courtyard. The Dogtrot isn't one design, it's a framework. What you do within that framework is limited only by imagination and budget. Drop your favorite in the comments. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5, and tell me which direction you'd take it. Subscribe for more alternative housing designs you won't find anywhere else. See you in the next one.